Hey, what's up? It's Mutai. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on freelance and business. If you lose your national ID today in Kenya, it will take you 30 days to get a new one. And this process will cost you 130 Kenya shillings. In this video, I'm going to share with you the process of getting a replacement of your national ID in Kenya. Stay tuned. Hi. This is freelance and business. So when you lose your national ID, the first thing that you need to have or to do is to go to the nearest police station or Huduma Centre. In the police station, you'll be required to purchase a form or a police abstract form for 30 Kenya shillings. That is what I did in Nairobi. I purchased a police abstract for 30 Kenya shillings, and you are not the person filling this form. The police or the officer in charge will be able to help you fill this form. So you take the form to the office, and the officer will ask you your name, your postal address or the address where you live in, and what you're reporting about, like loss of national ID and your national ID number. And also the police officer will indicate the date that you lost your ID. In that abstract, they'll indicate the OB number of this report. Then they stamp that this abstract has been filled by the police station that you visit. And that is it. Behind the police abstract, there are some information, but the police officer will not fill those things. After this, after they complete filling this form, they'll instruct you to visit a chief's office or the DO's office, district officer's office, and present this police abstract for them to help you process a new ID replacement. This new ID replacement will cost you 100 Kenya shillings, and you'll be issued with this something that they call waiting card, but it's just a receipt showing that you've requested for for your ID replacement. And then they'll take you a new photo for the new ID, for the new national ID. The systems are just digital there. So they take the photo directly to the computer. Then also there is a place that you sign digitally, like a screen, like a tablet screen where you sign. And once you're done, you'll be given this receipt showing that you've paid 100 Kenya shillings. And they'll tell you when you are supposed to pick your ID. And that is it on how to replace your national ID in Kenya. When I made my report here in Nairobi, it took me one day, like a few hours, to complete the whole process, like from police station to the DO's place. So within an hour or two, I was done, and I was told it will take 30 days for me to have the new ID. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know what you think in the comments section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, visit my website on cheptiony.com to learn more about what I do and contact me. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Mutai. Follow me on X at Cheptiony. Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubstudio.com.